In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make text on text messages bigger on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings. I'm gonna show you from the beginning, so once you have opened Settings, all you have to do is just scroll down until you find Control Center. Once you are at the Control Center, you need to make sure that text size feature has added to included controls. If it is not, just scroll down until you find text size right here in More Controls, and once you find it, all you have to do is just stop at that plus next to it and it will be added to included controls. Once it is done, hop out Settings and then open up Messages. After that, swipe down from the top right corner. That's where you can easily find text size feature. We can tap on it and then we can, by dragging it down or up, change the scale for all apps or just for messages. So we can select messages only. And then if we go back to Messages app, we can see that text size has changed. Let me reduce it to show you the difference. I'm gonna set it to 100% now. As you can see, that's how we can easily increase and reduce text size on text messages application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.